Hey guys, welcome to Hello RC. Today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing, and this is the brand new release from RC4WD. This is the Trailfinder 2 1985 Toyota pickup truck. This one's gonna be pretty awesome. This is a classic. This is
old Tacoma.
Yeah, it's an SR5. Incredible truck back in the day.
I don't even know what they look like.
Oh, they're awesome.
I can't wait to see it. So I
Yeah.
don't have any idea. Are those the ones with those little freaking lights on the top?
Yeah, this does have lights on the top, yeah.
It's like little four.
Yep, little KC lights.
Is that what they're supposed to be?
Yep.
The old
But
80s way?
remember the one from Back to the Future that Biff
No.
was making the dad wax? Oh, go.
$200 off, free purchase for a year.
But yeah, in today's video, we're just gonna unbox this thing, take a look at it real quick, get it all put together,
Factor.
plug in a battery, check out the lights and all the features, and then in a future video in a few days, we'll take it out to the course and give it a proper test run.
Breakfast. McGriddles are
McGriddle, okay. We'll have a McGriddle and then take it out to the course and give it a little test run, but
the best.
I'm really looking forward to this one because this is going to be probably the most detailed truck in our entire collection.
Look at that. Some paint chipping on.
What color is it?
Gray.
Okay, well, I'm not worried about it because the truck's not gray.
Maybe it's not paint.
Okay.
Some trash they left in there.
And Wyatt might remember these RC4WD drives. They come a little differently packaged, kind of like the K10 Scottsdale in two separate boxes.
Stickers.
Okay, let's check them out there. Got some different options for stickers and
What
license
the
plates,
heck is
things like
going on
that.
Here?
Well,
Look at how it comes. Two different boxes.
yeah,
The bottom and the top
yeah,
separate.
yeah.
And it looked like it was big enough to have them both together. Why did they package them like this?
This is how RC4WD does it. And Wyatt's got the chassis box, it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I
The-
thought I had the bottom.
No. Look at those wheels and tires.
It looked like I had the bottom.
Look at the. Do you notice something about the tires that's different from any other RC car we've ever had?
Yeah,
Did it
white
open
balls?
this one?
Yeah, they're lettered.
We have good rooch.
Yeah, licensed, and
It's
they're
all-
actually
look, it's in its own little
lettered
purse.
white.
It's in its purse bag.
Oh my gosh. Now Liz is excited. They come in a purse bag.
I broke it.
Oh, I hope not.
It comes in its own little purse bag. See, I'm telling you, we need a button.
Is this the reveal? Ooh, this has got something that no other RC4 drive has too. I forgot about that. We're gonna check it out here in a minute. Wyatt's got the transmitter, the big old clunker that comes with all the RC4 drive. It works good though. It's got lots of trims on it.
Wyatt, check it out. Slowly.
Or
Watch this.
Pull it out.
Watch.
tailgate comes down.
That's cool.
Okay, ready?
It's pretty.
Oh, look at those little.
It's pretty.
Ooh. Oh, fun.
That's what we're missing half of it.
We're missing half of
No,
it.
it's supposed to be like that. And the stickers even have protectors on them.
Good thing that guy didn't sign that protector.
Yeah. Yeah, no doubt.
Does the hood open up? It does.
Yeah, and wait till you see in the hood inside.
Oh, it's the little 4-cylinder
Yeah,
that comes in these?
little 2.2s.
It's fake.
It's fake. Of course it's fake.
Do the actual doors open up?
Yeah.
Looks like they do.
Let's see if they can figure it out.
You mean they do? Oh, look at that. Oh, man. It doesn't
It's
come
even
with
got a dash.
No guy.
It's got everything in there.
Wow.
That thing is awesome. That is It's so detailed. It's just crazy. Let's take a look in there.
Yeah, break your fingernail open this door.
I know what we can use. One of those little section. We just make a miniature suction cup.
No, it's too dark. You can't see.
Oh,
it
they
there
already
very
make
good.
miniature suction cups. Those things
That
you
looks
hang
really good.
one of those little prisms on in your window. You know those
Yeah, we can
suction
see in
cups?
there a little bit. That is awesome.
You can use one of those.
We'll
right?
probably detail that
Do you
up
have
real
to
good.
lift the handle to open it, or you just
No,
have
you
to
just
stick
pull
your
it.
finger
It's
down
like
there?
magnetic.
So you just use a suction
Yep.
cup.
Wyatt's gonna open the battery bag here. Get our battery out. Well, at least get this thing put together
You know
a
what
little
these
bit.
are good for?
What are they good for?
Dusting.
Ooh, you're probably right.
They are good for dust. I'm telling you.
So whenever I need a new dust cloth, I can order an RC car.
No,
Oh, okay.
just cut this in a bunch of different
That's just good.
pieces.
Well, that's just
Battery things or charger things for different countries.
There you go. Cut it up.
Yep.
There you go. There's at least 20 here.
Yeah. Hand mom that chassis there. Have her check out those wheels and tires on there, because those are not plastic.
What do you mean?
Check out the
Oh, they
wheels.
came with metal wheels?
Those are chrome. Those are real metal, and those are chrome.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wow was right.
Something happens to chrome though after a while. It peels.
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe you have to get it re-chromed.
Yeah. But what do you think? Should we plug a battery into this thing and put the body on? Oh, we gotta check out the body too. You know how the other bodies had those screws in the side that you have to screw in after it's done? And the body post in the back? Check out how this body goes on. Let's see if Wyatt can figure it out. I'm not gonna tell him.
Do I remember what?
Okay. I probably. Look at the bumpers, how they got even the black on the corners and like the rock guards on the rear.
So why do you have these out here?
Because if we wanted to add the fender liners, which are, where are they? We're missing something.
Uh-oh.
All right, we're at the.
Maybe they're stuck in some of that plastic stuff.
We're gonna have to check out something here. We're missing some pieces.
I threw some plastic stuff over the edge. Maybe it fell.
We will figure out where these extra pieces are, but I know they're here.
I like this truck. It's pretty.
How are you supposed to get those to fall all the way down through there? I see how it goes on.
Do you have to pull? I think you might have to pull the little latch forward on before you put the body down.
Watch.
Yeah, what latch?
Here, look, right here. There's something here that slides. I don't know how it works, but oh yeah, there it goes.
What'd you do?
I pulled that one out.
What thing?
Yeah, like that. Now I think you put the body on.
That's a weird way to put something together.
See how it works here.
I think it's easier than using screws.
Yeah, but we've never seen this shit before.
Brand new. We're gonna test it out and see how easy or hard it is. Did it lock in?
You don't have to push them back? It
No,
just locks?
I think it springs in automatically, and then you just.
Take it off, you
Oh, maybe not.
I don't think it springs in automatically.
This is, maybe you have to push them in manually. This is definitely a first experience for us, so we're showing you guys the reality of how easy or hard this is.
I say it's kind of hard.
Well, the first time's always a little trickier.
You gotta manually push it like that.
Now it's locked on? Awesome. All right, that's pretty good. And then you just flip them again and pull the body off.
Dude, with all these different RC cars, how's he gonna remember how the hell to pull the top off? Oh,
That is so cool.
Keep it all together the same way.
Let's see, where is our missing package here? We got something missing here.
What's in that? Is there something in that float?
That's what I thought. It'll be
Nothing in here. Nothing there. Nothing
They're
there.
probably still in the box.
You got something
Did
in
you
there?
order something else?
Wyatt's got something. Okay, there we got an extra box. Now we're gonna see what's in this extra
Okay.
box.
Here.
Oh, the front valance.
The front what?
Valance goes underneath the front bumper.
This
Yeah,
is a balance?
yes, that's a valance. Yes, Wyatt's got it. It's gonna go like that right there in the front. It'll tuck underneath there. We'll have all this stuff on for our
Are
first
these
test
mud
run.
flaps? No,
Yes.
no. Those are wheel wells.
Yes, those are the wheel wells. So it's got a wheel well for all 4 tires.
Where's the lights?
They're probably in that sack too. Do you see anything in there? You can open that up.
Those are all wheel wells. Oh, it comes with a battery.
Not bad.
I think that's great. A lot of people complain about this battery because it's not a LiPo, but this is a safe battery for people that are just getting into the hobby. They don't got to worry about it. It's easy to take care of, so I think it's a great thing they put these batteries in.
Battery strap. What are these, like upgraded
Yeah, what is that?
spare parts?
Oh, it's like rod ends. I don't know what those are for. Huh.
Are they metal?
Yeah, looks like it.
It's like the ends of the shocks.
Yeah.
They feel like they're metal.
Oh, they got leaf springs?
Yeah, extra leaf springs
Oh,
if you want to make them
it's
stiffer.
heavy altogether.
Yeah, look at that thing. The metal axles on it. Look underneath.
You got-
It's no joke.
It's a sway bar?
That's metal.
That's a sway bar?
Yeah, looks like a steering link.
There's the lights.
You have to drill a hole in the.
I
Nope.
don't think they're real lights.
Oh, they sticker on.
You can put LEDs on them.
They
They're
sticker on.
no, they screw on.
To what?
There's
I
probably a hole.
see.
Look at these
There's little
tiny,
holes,
teensy
Wyatt,
tiny
look.
screws.
Look at that. There's a hole in that
I
little.
see. That screws up into here.
Oh my gosh! Look how tiny those screws are.
Tiny screws.
Big
Yeah, that's what
screws.
I got the tools out for.
There's a tool in there.
Oh, cool. It even comes with the little tool. That's awesome.
Little Allen wrench.
Do we want to put these parts on now or wait for the first run?
I don't care. You want some on?
Hold it with the wrench and then spin it.
I got it started.
Everything's so tiny. How could they light up? It doesn't even look like there's.
I think there's a clear lens behind it.
Oh, you got your hand. Looking at your hand up close.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See, check it out.
You can't see.
That's a lens back there.
Oh yeah. Oh
That
yeah.
is cool.
What's all this stuff for? What is all this stuff for?
Those are like for different countries. Like if you,
Oh,
Like-
I remember Australia.
Yeah.
We had to use this weird thing.
like if you're in a different country and wanted to plug it in to
This
charge it.
is a weird little thing.
I'm gonna see if you would have had this truck when
I
you
don't
went to
know what that
Australia,
one
you could have
was.
taken it with you.
I don't
charged
know
it.
what country this one would be.
France? I don't know.
How would you? I guess if you don't
I'm
know.
making it up.
I don't know. This is America.
No, that's not America.
think
Does
we-
our plug look like
I
that?
think we have something like that.
Oh my
Or
gosh.
like, yeah.
When have we ever had a
Look
plug
look
like
at the
that?
plug itself.
What?
The big piece to the left there.
This is our plug.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our plug. I know, but we've had something like this.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
I'm pretty sure we do. This is like,
You've lost your mind.
no, I totally have seen one like this in America, but I don't know what it was on.
It's probably on another RC4 drive truck that we have.
No. I don't
Oh, look
know
at this
why
engine
I think that's American. You guys are probably wrong, and I'm probably right. I'm pretty sure maybe these are the old style plugs.
Look at that. That is absolutely incredible. There's actually a hood prop rod in here too that you can prop it open with.
Okay.
Doesn't that look how real that looks?
Uh-huh.
Look at the battery and the battery
It's
cables
rubbery.
and the spark plug
Are
wires.
they
Oh, yeah,
rubbery? Are they rubbery?
Yeah,
Oh, God.
that is
That
insane.
is insane.
The battery's got stickers on it.
Scratched it.
Look underneath the hood.
Relax.
It's got like the warning labels that you would have on a real car. That is crazy. Wyatt is patiently installing the lights.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's throw the battery on there, plug it in, and let's put the body on, turn on the lights, and check it out. Maybe this should be the other side, but that's okay. I can wrap underneath like that.
They're just long. Maybe if we got a fatter battery or something.
They're good. Well, Wyatt's getting practice putting the body on and off.
He likes this truck.
Mm-hmm.
Cords. Get in the way. There we go.
Awesome. It's on. If anybody wants to pull the trigger. Those are the best RC headlights I think I've ever seen.
Oh, really cool light.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are bright.
And I like the color of them. They look like a real old truck headlight.
Oh my gosh.
Wyatt. That is awesome.
That's nice. Okay.
Yeah. I think that'll wrap up the unboxing and the realistic put together of how this truck getting it rolling, and we will get it out on the course real soon. And thanks for watching.
Good night.
That's even rubber too.
What is that? Like a radiator hose?
Yeah, it's a radiator hose.
It's got a cold air intake on it.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Yeah. This is radiator cap unscrew.
No,
Okay.
I tried this thing too.
Master cylinder. What's that thing up there?
This?
No, up on the firewall.
I think
Air
that might be your
conditioner.
blower motor
Yeah.
for your.
That is
HVAC
crazy.
stuff. I don't know what this little thing is.
Brake reservoir? No, I don't know.
This is your brake.